Okay, so let me show you how simple this is to do. When you have already added your first name, last name, and address, it will automatically identify your senators and the district that you have for your U.S. representative. So we're only talking about our 2 senators. If you want to change the message, I just happen to put something in a copy-paste. So you just edit it. And then for me, I will go ahead and paste in what I already have in my clipboard. And there we have it. You get to the bottom here. Now this is automatically going to put in the legislator's name. You don't have to change that. So when you hit submit, it moves to the next screen where you're able to call them. Okay. So again, here's the script, a reminder of what you might want to say when you're going to have the system call you back. The call will come from an 855 area code. Okay, once you press this button here. So this is for you to read into the voicemail because they're never going to answer the phone. You know that. And if I wanted to punch this up, now I have the script I'm going to read and going to press this button. And now it will prompt you to submit and continue. And the call is coming in.
Opinion on a policy issue, press 1. If you need help with a federal agency, press 2.
So you're going to want to press 1 and tell them what's on your mind. That's how simple it is. And that sends an email and a voicemail message. Please do it. Our country needs it, and you need our country. It's just that simple.